You can make a jigsaw puzzle with your own photo. Pick a photo that you want to use. Add a transparent puzzle template on the photo, and you can get the transparent file in the description below. You can use any editing app, but here I'm using Photoshop. Print the photo, then cut the photo with utility knife following the template. You need to do it carefully and you need to be patient. Glue all the photo pieces on cardboard. Here I'm using super glue to make the work faster. Now you need to cut out the cardboard following the puzzle shape. Add glue on every side of the puzzle piece and tidy up the back side of the puzzle. It's basically a photo and we need to make a frame. I was planning on using this plywood, but apparently this plywood is not perfectly flat, so I decided to use this cardboard. And I need to add this bamboo stick as a frame to keep the puzzle stay in place. One last thing, I need to add a stand on the back side of the frame. I actually made this puzzle for my girlfriend. I love to make a gift instead of buying. It's also good to show your effort in a relationship. That's it looks pretty nice already. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.